Hey guys, TipsyDoc here. So from the poll, a lot of you guys said that you like amaretto sours. I actually never made it before this weekend when I did my virtual happy hour. So I enjoyed it, it was pretty good. Then I made it with an egg white because I was following a recipe online, but today I'm just gonna make it without the egg white, and I'm gonna add some bourbon because why not? We're stuck in the house, we don't have anywhere to go, so we might as well try it with the bourbon. So for the amaretto sour, you of course need some amaretto, and I'm using the D'Amour brand, and then for bourbon I'm using Jim Beam, and then to make it sour you need simple syrup and lemon juice.